Thank you, Mr. Atkinson. We'll see you again for the terrier puppies later. And in come the veterans. The veterans are coming now. Led in by the Norwegian Buhund. The Swedish Valhund, the Hungarian Poolie, the Australian Shepherd, Bearded Collie, the Groenendael, the Border Collie, the Australian Mountain Dog, Finnish Lapphund, Old English Sheepdog, the Polish Lowland, the Pyrenean Mountain Dogs coming in now, followed by the Samoyed, the Shetland Sheepdog, Cardigan Corgi, and the Pembroke Corgi. So there they are. And Dave Killeley's already there. He's got perhaps one to see, I think. Two to see. There's our veteran striding out. Very happy to be here, that wagging tail. And on the table, coming off the table to show off the movement is the Swedish Valhund, strong, sturdy, dog of the Vikings, herding dog, and a good guard, very vociferous. And full of alertness. You'd hard to tell that many dogs are veterans indeed. Judge now going over the Hungarian Poolie. Hungarian Poolie there, number 1238. There we have our veterans. So Mr. Killeley going to have a short list here. In comes the Australian Shepherd, the Groenendael, the Old English Sheepdog, the Samoyed, the Shetland Sheepdog, and the Cardigan Corgi. There we are, 6 in it for the final. Well done to all the other veterans. You look marvellous. Great credit to the breed and to their owners, keeping them sharp and active. And time to give them your support. There's our Australian Shepherd veteran. Come on then. She's here to be cheered. And the Groenendael, 11 years old, this one. and the Old English Sheepdog. The rolling gait of the Old English. And here's the Samoyed. The Samoyed number is number 1393. 1393. And there's the Shetland Sheepdog. And here is the Cardigan Corgi. Strutting his stuff. Fantastic array of veterans. If the knockers of pedigree dogs would come to a show and see them like this, they'll see that pedigree dogs. Boards are coming out, the boards are called for. Great credit to the breeds. So, one of them coming back. Which one is the choice of our judge, Dave Killerley? It's the Sparkling Samoyed. Sparkling Samoyed has won the group. Ah, there's a bonus. In second place, the Cardigan Corgi. And for third spot, the Old English Sheepdog. And for fourth, it's the Shetland Sheepdog. Well done to the other two. Make it this far. So, quick photo call. Rosette's going out. The Samoyed ever attentive to its owner. Sparkling in condition and alertness. Right. Are we having a lap of honour? Round they go, please. There's our Samoyed.